Hey, how's it going? It's Chris Magnuson with Streetview Vagabond, and I am here for another Unboxing the World video. Today, we're going to be looking at Mombasa, Kenya, because I've been listening to Pili Pili FM out of Mombasa, Kenya. Pili Pili is means a very small pepper, which you can see is incorporated into their logo there for the FM. And they got 20 songs here on today's playlist that are Afrobeat songs. A lot of artists from Tanzania. Um, and a couple Congolese, Kenya, and also South Africa as well. So check out this list here, this playlist here of, like I said, 20 Afrobeat songs. Really cool, great to listen to. And you can put it on while you're watching this video if you want, because I'm not going to connect it because of copyright stuff. We are going to be in Mombasa. Mombasa is right on the coast. You see Kenya here, the Indian Ocean, and Mombasa is coming in here where there is an island in the middle of the bay here, which I did not know. And PDPD FM is over here on this side, closer to the ocean over here. So we're going to jump into there. I'm going to put 40 minutes on the clock and see what we can find in these 40 minutes unboxing Mombasa. I've never been to Mombasa. I don't know what to expect, although I can make some assumptions. There's wild waters. We are on the ocean here at Indian Ocean here, so let's check it out. And Pili Pili. All right, let's start right away by checking out this radio station and see what what it looks like outside. And we're looking at here, this is March 2018, if we look in the bottom right-hand corner. So that's one thing I've learned is that sometimes you're going to do a little bit of a time machine as well. When you go onto these Street View things, is that a crane? Or is that the actual radio tower? That might be the radio tower. I'm going to take a photo of this. I'm not going to say that is the PDPD radio station, but it could be. It could be. But we're going to see what's going on here. Crop that. We're going to save this. And I'm just going to say PDPD radio station. And my spelling is always atrocious because I know what it means. I'm going fast and loose here. What's happening here? Oh, that's cool. What is that? Mombasa cement. I was going to look at those flowers that are coming in. This is beautiful. Nursery there. We got over here, Auto Express. Nice. Imperial Bank Limited. Let's start a party. What does this say? Okay. So this is switched. Now we're at April 2018. So times have changed a little bit. What's this up here? Texas. Why does it say Texas? Oh, wait a minute. What is going on here? It still says Texas up there. Look, we got these little tuk-tuks. What is going on? I'm going to start a party. It's cute. All right. I'm going to take a photo of this before I get all screwed up here. All right, start a party in your microwave with the Mika. It's a wonderful world, Mika appliances. And nothing says a party more than an eggplant, chicken, and a pepper in your microwave. Start a party in your microwave. Okay, I know that's there. Still fighting with Zoom, trying to figure out what is going on with my keeping my face up there. Okay, it's not gonna let me go in there. And this looks like this might be getting kind of dead down here. What's happening? Wow, this is like really cool. It's like a nursery on the side of the street here. Cool stuff. Like we saw those people initially putting that stuff in the back of the truck. Nondescript stuff. Okay, we're gonna want to go to a little bit more of a populated center. Cool. Yeah, what is this? Corner base Kite Baraha. I'm going to take a photo of that. I don't know what it means. It's something that might show up later, and I might be able to either ask somebody what it means or I'd be surprised it might show up. I think that's like, when I see that, I think of like raffia. Look at this. These are all plants. I should take a picture of these plants too. Since at least on this street, there's like a nursery that seems to be running almost the entire street, the entire block. Okay, we're gonna call this potted plants. Oh gosh, where's the... Okay, there's one of those tuk-tuks. Let's go. Today is a throwback Thursday, so I do not need, I don't like that with that X there. We do not need Transportation Tuesday, even though I always love me a tuk-tuk. I'm sure I will see plenty more of these. This will not be the only tuk-tuk that I get. Let's try not to have that other dude in there. Tuk-tuk. I don't know what they're called in Kenya. Let's, geez, I understand. Whoa, this is an actual nursery. This is an actual nursery. Yeah. What is it? Because over here it is a oil change shop, but all these pots are right out here just in the street. You know, because it's like, ooh, rainy time. Ooh, that's cool. I don't know why we've got pots and plants just seemingly kind of lining the streets here. Just sort of out there. We'll see. Pots for the planting. Okay. Look, my face stayed up there that time. I switched back to this thing. I have no idea what is going on. Big B interior. Snowflakes. Wait a minute. This is interesting. Seeing as Mombasa never gets snow. But that makes sense. Keep it cool. Balcony. Okay. At first I was going to say like, you know, like snow conditioning for your car, which I'm used to. Not that we get a lot of snow here, but snow. Okay, we just had about 7 minutes happen. There's this Mama Africa. Mama ni Mama. Sacco. Sacco. I think that's. Oh, what's it called? Like a syndicate. I have been to Nairobi, so I have seen that before. Okay. Laundry, always up there. Laundry, always up there. What is going on up here? Look at this temple. Nice. Wow. That is a temple. Beautiful. A good shot here. This is a good shot. Just coming down the street. Thought I was coming down pots and plants. Boom. There is a Hindu temple right there. Cool. See, dang it. There's my face. Put my face up there. Put my face in place. I don't know if I need more 2 photos yet. What's this? Roberta's Mini Market. And this is British driving here, left side. What is that? That's a car. That's amazing. What is this? Amaron. Lasts long, really long. Amaron. 0 maintenance. Amaron. Let me take a photo of that. Again, I don't know what this is. Assuming it sounds like it might be car related. What is it? Amaron. Oh, I just typed maroon. Okay. Look, my face stayed up. What is going on? I do not understand. What does it say? Education Center. I think it's pretty flat. Okay, we're going to jump back onto the map, see what we can find. I'm not sure exactly where I was. I know I started there. I think we came, yes, we did pass the Cinemax. So here, if we could push this over here. So we were headed over here. It's the secret lounge. Is it really a park called the Secret Lounge? And that's it. Interesting. Oh, and I did pass a temple. But I think, yeah, Roberto's sandwiches. So that would have been, yep, Rem Div Pure Temple. Okay, cool. Suitcase manufacturer. That's a factory we don't usually see much of. 680. Okay, so let's go check out. Oh, okay. I don't have every single nook and cranny code. If I get crap, I'm gonna take that shot. That's nice. I get crap. Oh, crown it. Okay. If you like it, crown it. I wonder if that is a soda, like RC Cola. If you like it, crown it. Yes. Okay, so this is the end of the road there, because I knew there was an end there. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so this is all Mombasa, right? Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach. Just want to make sure this is still Mombasa. Oh, let's check it out. Mombasa Island. There's a KFC. Fort Jesus Museum. What is the Fort Jesus Museum? Let's check it out. Whoa, what is going on there? We got fridge magnets. Nice. Some fridge magnets. Although not all fridges are magnetic anymore. My realtor friends have learned that. Fridge magnets. Oh, I stayed up. Yeah. So is this the Jesus Museum? What is this? Jumbo prawns. What's that? Is this a teapot? That's an interesting traffic circle. Yes, vindicated. Traffic circle with some interest. Not sure what, not sure why. Traffic circle, worth checking out. Golden kettle. I wonder if it's related to Hindus and Hindu temple, and there's something here we can't read. Okay, but this is interesting. Man, let's not get that way. What's this like? Fort Jesus Park. What's Fort Jesus Park? Oh, that's interesting. Huh. All right. So it's a fort. It's a fort. Butterflies. Cool. There is a butterfly house. Is that this? Or is this Fort Jesus again? And I'm back at Fort Jesus. This is cool. It's a museum that is searchable. Some historical sites in the coast of Kenya. Cool. That's a cool shot. Oh, is this a Dow ship potentially? Cool. All right, let's jump out of this. This is still that Mombasa butterfly. This is cool. What is the butterflies? It's got turtles. Yes. After Fort Jesus, enjoying butterflies. That's pretty. That's cool. That's why you need cultural side. Okay, like in the heart of Mombasa. Let's check it out. It's the Kenya flag. I gotta take a shot of that. That's cool. Okay. Just gonna take one. Those guys there. Okay, nice. More tuk-tuks. And whoa, hey, check it out. It's like a tuk-tuk train. I love it. Can I capture that? Sort of. Whoa. People are not for stuff. Oh, people are over here for stuff. There we go. Let me take that. Yeah, this looks like some sort of, yeah, some sort of a like a government building. People gotta line up in order to get their credentials or their move their paperwork along, so to speak. Okay, cool. In Mombasa, listening to some Afrobeat music that was coming from Piri Piri Pepper FM. Is that phones on? Yeah. Okay. Whoa, where's that? Back to the map. Sweet Temptations. Juice bar. This is awesome. Looking for funny finds. The Ish Village. Sorry, gotta take it. Ish Village. Get your ish together. In our village. The first photo is the best photo. Nondescript, but there's no funny find. The Ish Village. What that means in Swahili. I'll look it up later. Okay. Awadi's Sweet Temptation. I didn't even really laugh. There's an Ish Village. Cuckoos and Confessors. Dry fish commodity. Cookies and go. Like the map itself is like a little bit more interesting in terms of what you're able to see, what you can find when you get into Street View. It's kind of like not for there. I'm looking for downtown. Maybe it's over here. Government buildings. Let's jump into this section here. Where are the people? That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's funky looking building. So that. Some people. What's going on here? Oh, look, I see a painting. Oh. Can't get to it. What does that say? Loreto Convent, Mombasa. This is definitely a school. Look at these kids. Now we are in March 2018. kind of petrol we got here? Petro, nice. Maria Regina Algernon. So this is the Loretta Convent. Okay, let's go back to the map. Oh, jeez. Out of the corner of my eyes, I sleek trading. I thought it said something about talking, like talking heads. It was a big leap in my head. A very big leap. What is this? This looks like this could be cool. Sports club. This is pretty. This isn't the garden I was expecting it to be. What a park, I should say. Crest security. Okay, that's private security. Sports ground. Oh, that's a really cool logo. It's a book. Pen in the middle. Okay. Car wash going on here. Islamic Center here. Cool. Let me get the photo. Let me get that gate of the Islamic Center. Oh, that is cool. Can you get that shot? Oh. Let me get this. Unfortunately, it's open, so it doesn't give you the full. But we'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. Islamic Center. Okay, we are now just over the halfway mark. I have to do 20 minutes here. I mean, 40 minutes. And we just finished 20 minutes. So as you can see, I'm still getting my bearings, still trying to figure out what's going on here. Still haven't really found a downtown area. There is another traffic circle. What is that? It's like a bank advertisement. But it's not. I'm confused. Fidelity Insurance, yeah. It looks like an insurance company's advertisement of a religious reliquary or something like that in a traffic circle. Why I don't understand about that. Okay. Let's call this traffic circle. Cool. All right. Let's go back to the map. See what we can find. So all of this is basically off limits, which is not on the road. Giant aluminum tusks. Let's go back. Let's see what that's like. Oh, there they are. Yo. What is this building? See, I'm coming back so I can get. Now we're getting it. See, I told you it's the 20-minute mark. It takes a good 20 minutes to figure out cool stuff. I'm going to take a couple of photos of this. And let's go to the other side of it and see if we can get a better angle. Okay, yeah, what does it look like underneath? I think the other way is more impressive because you can see the cars going over, but we'll still take this one. Liking it. Yeah, look at that. That looks better. Okay, and I was really digging this building over here. What is this? This has got some really cool tiling going on. It's got these like turrets. Zuljana center. I wonder if that is what that is. We can look that up. Let's do it. It's pretty building. Yeah, pretty good. So tiles, it's got the little turrets on the top. Look at that, my face stayed up. Still trying to figure this out. I do want to go the other way on the street because there's something down there I want to check out. This is the happening. Ooh, that's a, never mind. I thought that was going to be a really cool tuk-tuk. 004. Sports bar 04. Watch Manchester United this Sunday. Cool. Ooh, what is this? Unique. I'm questioning the thought of the bloody lettering for the driving school. I love it. Very unique. Unique driving school. Nice. See, my face just disappeared. What's going on, Zoom? Unique. Austin House. What do we got over there? I love hand painted signs. There's something about them. Look, this is another driving school. It's the same driving school on the other side of the street. More tuk-tuks. Bank of Africa. Where are we? We are March 2018. Okay. Really? That's as far as I can go. More bedding. Pharmaceuticals, wholesale dispensary, veterinary, and cosmetics. There's a lot going on in that. Maybe that is right. Look at this. Is that like Hulk smash? Love it. Yeah, stop. Beautiful. We call this Hulk smash tuk-tuk. Okay. Mom's chick. Let's go back through tusks. I think there was something on the other side that I wanted to look at. I'm so stoked on those tusks. There's a lot of driving schools here. High life batteries. Check it out. I'm gonna take that photo. Just a reminder of that other photo that I took before. Okay, got it. What is going on here? City Guild. Is that a lion? A dragon? There's an international approved center. Omar. What's going on? RizFark.com. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that photo. Let's see what's going on. Okay, you gotta wait just a few seconds and those icons will disappear. A pro tip for you. Boom, Wenatchee. Wenatchee Car Center. Interesting. Wenatchee. Sounds like Wenatchee, Washington. Marco House. some stuff going on. Shell station. So I am in the kind of like auto zone area of Mombasa. Okay. People probably come here for beach resorts. I'm coming here for car dealerships. Look at that one. Yeah. Chill out. Confusion. Chill out. What do you want me to do? I'm confused or chill? Both. Look, the back wheels are up high. That is kidded. Nice. All right, let me say this is confusion. Chill out. Let's just do that. I feel like I'm getting closer to town. More gorgeous. Still cars. Still in like auto. Who's this? Yeah. Another traffic circle. This one is sponsored by Toyota. Not to be confused with the quasi-religious look and fidelity insurance traffic circle. I do like these clocks. What's that sound? City clock. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a city clock. What is it? I don't know. Go check the city clock. All right, city clock. I was going to play music on these things, but I just don't want to deal with the copyright issues. Okay, it looks like I'm at a dead end there. From a street view standpoint, what we can move over here. Oh, I'm taking. Oh, I see a herd of goats. Where are you? Where are you going? No, gotta be careful. Just one more closer. No, okay. That is as close as I'm gonna get. Traffic jam. That would be funny for like that Transportation Tuesday. Oh, I should save that. I should save that you need driving. Transportation Tuesday. But goats on the street. Goats are loose. The goats are loose. Okay, man, I only got 7 minutes left. What happened? Cars are us. All right, I gotta get out of car dealership area. Come on. Giant aluminum tasks. We did that. Did this. I'm thinking we gotta go down here. Is there anything down here? It's where the Mama Mia water fruits. Oh man. What we got here? King Burger. Not to be confused with Burger King. I love it. Very smart. Very smart. Smart play. King Burger. Okay. We're getting a lot of interesting things. We got the goats on the street. We got King Burger. Museum we can go into. Lots of tech decks. Yeah. Oh, I got a mosque. Is that a mosque? That shot. Yeah, that's nice. At the Islamic Center earlier, we didn't get a chance to really dig in. Oh, look at this. What is in the parking lot here? Yeah. Get a better shot at. Let me include those cars. Thanks. So it's selling those underneath the tree. Good spot to be in. Underneath the tree. The mosque. Kid cars. Kids cars. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this an amusement park? Oh, I see a horse. There's something going on here. Is that a roller coaster? That just moves because there's a motor in there. Yeah, fine. Sorry. What is this structure back here? Okay. Oh, are those swings? That's not functional. National Museum of Kenya. I can get all of that in there. That would be an interesting shot. Got this billboard for the National Institute of Kenya. And then I got like a defunct playground in the background. Not even playground, it's probably like an amusement park. Old amusement park. I know what that is. A lot of those notes are just exactly that. They're notes to me. Now I had something over here. Cool. This little thing. This thing. That's not a diving board, is it? Oh, there's nothing. It's just a tower. It's interesting. That's actually a good angle. Too bad we can't skip the tower, that hole there. All right, let's do this. Oh, power. Ooh, what is this? Oh. Okay, about 3 minutes left. Oh, let me get that shot. What does that say? Delight in every bite. I can get that shot. Gives us a little bit of the idea of what Mombasa is like. Beach related town. Some transportation options. I was going to say, merchants in the background. Merchants. Okay. Like I'm getting out. Let's do that check one more time. We got like 2 minutes left. Got the tusks. This is going to be. I would just go up this main road. Stuff. Have I done this before? Wow, that is sponsored by Indochine. That's a cool truck. Didn't catch that. No. Here's the unique. Most crazy. Yeah. In God we trust, the most crazy. Juxtaposition on wheels, 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 wheels. Come out Sunday. The most I officially have 1 minute left. Nice hotel, Hotel Radiance. Oh, that, my friend, is probably the most well. I love it. And this goes back to a conversation I was having earlier with the fact that do you love it because it paints a picture in your mind of what Mombasa should be? Meaning, like, it kind of reinforces some stereotypes about the place, or is it the real Mombasa? Anyway, interesting. Beautiful photo though. I'm glad I got that one. Okay, I still feel like I don't have a sense of like a town. I'm not even sure where there is where there's like a downtown, but I think we might be close to it. Is that a Coke? What's the slogan? That is my time. I'm gonna take a shot of this just because it's nice. Well, weathered Coke ad. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm gonna bring it to a close here for Mombasa. We learned, what did we learn? There's tuk-tuks that we got some old Coke advertisements. We've got, what else do we see? It's close to the beach. There's an island in the middle, which I didn't know about before. Because of radio station Piri Piri, you know that there is a pepper that's used for the, oh, I wonder if that's the same pepper that goes with Nando's. We could check that out. And then I'll check my notes, check my photos, but it's time to go. Okay, so this has been fun. I'm gonna stop recording. Thank you.